Okay, first things first, I need to bring the lift down to a place where I can actually work on the car. I haven't got the lift permanently wired in just yet, and just checking you can see me. So I've got this extension wire which got thread behind the lift. And what we'll do, we'll lift the car up a little bit so I can get it off the locks, and then bring it down to a height where I can work on the wheels to put the calipers on. So here we go. Okay, so the car's now at level. Took me a moment there. I'm still getting used to how to use this thing. And I think let's get underneath and jack it up. I've got some jacks under this lift, which makes it a little bit easier to do stuff with. Let's try. So first thing I need to do is get this car up, and I need to get some, in fact, I'm going to do it here, but I forgot my thingies. Okay, so I need to put these on. Do I put this on first? Let me see. That'd be a good idea. I think I've got some good jacking points here. Okay, get in there. Just tighten this up. I'll move it a bit further back. Okay. All right, I think we're good. Okay, here we go. We are there. They're up. Okay, so now I just need to lower the car a little bit. Right. Going to get the wheels off. So first of all, I'm going to lay a bit of tissue down so my brand new ramp doesn't get totally. This is degreaser. I got these from eBay, and they are heat resistant labels. I'm just wondering, do I put it that way or do I put it that way? Oh, it has to go that way straight away. I saw that. The question is, can I put the big ones on? So I've got multiple different sizes, and this company sells them in multiple sizes. Right. So I've got this size, and this size. I put big ones too big. I think the one that makes sense is possibly this size. I think that's the one that makes sense. Let me get some skizzers. For the front ones, I'm thinking that size is the right one. Yep, I think that's the size. Gotta get it right. Ooh. What do you think? Looking good? I think so. I'm going to commit to that. Almost messed it up. Taking it back into a brush. Make sure it sticks. Start from up here. I think that's the baby. Whoa. I think they look good. So I guess the wheels back on. Small little project, but you know, for me these things matter. Let's get this on. I did. Let me just go and see if I've got it. I'm sure I've got it. And I'm not sure I've got it. Maybe not got it. Oh, I'm going to do it now. Open the garage door so you've got a bit more light. Here we go. Before I go and do the back, I've got to put the wheels on. I want to show you something. I put the Porsche sticker on, and as we spin it, you can't see the Porsche. However, the new wheels, when they come, are going to be like the Penta, and you will be able to see them, and I don't want to miss that opportunity. So, let me just give this a quick waz with the cleaner. And we'll go to that back wheel. As you can see, I'm on my knees, but I don't feel like taking the lift up and bringing it down, so got my knees. Got the release of my jack. I'm going to bring this front down slowly, and I'm going to bring the jack to the back. Here we go. The thing, I should have brought the car forward a bit. I think we're all right. Here we go. I think that works. Committed. Let's see if we are successful with this. Yes. I did go with the big one. I think the big one's better. Shit. The back ones are not so dirty actually. Oops. There we go. Committed. Oh, did I get it right? Yep. And this concludes the Porsche 996 upgrade brakes on my 500e. Look at that. Baby, baby. Whoa. Actually, I'm not going to lift the car up. I'm going to lower it just here. Here we go. £100. Right, let's go the other side. So that's it. I have done it, but just like the front wheel, you can't see the Porsche label. Front wheel, you can't see the Porsche label. However, it will be visible once we get the new wheels on, which will be a few weeks' time. Next project is my 599 exhaust. I'm getting it ready for a rally. I'm going to put the exhaust on, the new wheels on, window tints. Not got long. March 7th is the Ferrari rally. I've got to get that ready. That's the next video I'm going to have up soon. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Speak to you all soon. This is Mickey, Mr. India. Bye.